Today I'm going to be reviewing Quickeep's USB-C to USB-C. This is a 3-foot cord 2-pack. These are nylon braided, which I really like. 60 watt type C, so faster charging, faster info. I want to thank Quickeep for sending me these to do a review. I actually didn't realize that they were braided. I have my phone hooked up right now. I was testing this out. It actually is charging a little bit faster than I was expecting. What I really like about this cord, a lot of people don't realize this. I have a lot of these cords, and I only like the braided ones. They're much better, but a lot of times they're very rigid right around this area. And that actually causes issues as it bends because it will be an issue. These are not like that. So I do believe that these will actually last a lot longer than some other cords. It does really well. It's an Amazon choice. It's got 4.6 stars. I like to see at least 4.4. It's got 242 reviews, which isn't a tremendous amount, but because it's an Amazon choice, it also sold over 4,000 last month of October 2025. So they're selling a lot. These are doing well, and they have some other sizes too if you need it. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.